Hey there, got everyday problems? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you some life hacks that'll make you go, why didn't I think of that? And I'm gonna do it with a sprinkle of humor. Let's dive in. First up, ever had trouble finding the end of a roll of tape? It's like playing hide and seek with a ninja. Here's a simple trick. Stick a paper clip at the end of the tape. Now you'll never lose it again. Unless that paperclip decides to play ninja too. Next, let's talk about tangled earphones. They have a mind of their own, right? Here's a hack. Get yourself a binder clip. Wrap your earphones around the clip and voila! No more frustrating knots. Unless you're into untangling puzzles. Alright, now for those of you who love snacks but hate crumbs in your keyboard, try this. Use sticky notes to clean between the keys. The sticky side grabs all the crumbs. Warning, you might find last week's sandwich. Ever dropped your phone between the car seats? It's like it falls into a black hole. Well, fear not. Grab a pool noodle, cut it in half, and shove it between the seats. Problem solved, unless your phone is now in the Bermuda Triangle. Moving on to toothpaste. Squeezing out that last bit is like trying to get the last drop of ketchup. Use a bobby pin to roll the end of the tube. No more wasted toothpaste. And no more Hulk-strength squeezing. Got a stubborn jar lid? Run it under hot water for a few seconds. Watch that lid twist off like it's butter. Or you could just ask someone stronger. But where's the fun in that? And finally, for the coffee lovers. Tired of watered-down iced coffee? Make coffee ice cubes. Brew some coffee, pour it into an ice tray, and freeze. Add those cubes to your iced coffee, and it stays strong to the last sip. Caffeine perfection. There you have it. Everyday problems solved with a dash of humor. Try these hacks and make life a little easier. And if you enjoyed this, smash that like button, share, and subscribe for more fun tips. Catch you in the next one.